Okay, welcome to the Beastnotes tutorial for online learning. This is a pretty powerful and pretty great web extension for Chrome, as well as Firefox and Brave browser, which is what I'm using. Beastnotes is, like it says right here, is designed for students to take notes while taking online courses. You can efficiently capture notes while watching video lectures with this extension, and it is you can use it to revise and study for exams as well. So it's a free account. All I have to do is create an account, and I just use my work email here, and that gives you different courses. So I made one as an example already. It's really easy to make a new notebook for classes. You just hit this plus new notebook here. You can give it a title. So I'm just going to call this Math 10C Notes. Notes from online seminars and course videos. And then they can actually pick a template for course structure. So say I wanted to take machine learning, I wanted to use that, or I can create without a template. And then I can hit start. Okay, so that'll bring you a new course right here, Math 10C, March 2020, notes from online seminars and course videos. This is the description of here. I can put a new chapter, so I can do like Unit 1, exponents, and then I can do a description. This is the first unit for Math 10C. Great. And then that'll create a new unit. I can do another one, Unit 2, polynomials. This is the second unit for Math 10C. Right, and then within both of these, they can make a new notes. So this could be a note on a topic of the day, order of operations, right? And then they can talk about bed mass, brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, so they can talk about what that is. Exponents are fancy. Exponents is fancy multiplication. So after their notes for the day are there, I can actually format this as well, so I can bold that, I can make it a heading, and format my notes accordingly. I can go here and highlight here, and then I can say, okay, well, that is really a bullet point. That is really a bullet point as well. Maybe this is the same set of brackets. Maybe I want to bold that, heading 2, so I can put more things in here. Maybe on right here, I want to put a image. Right, I can highlight, put an image. I'm just going to put object-oriented programming here. I can put an image that I saved down in there. I'm not going to do that because that's giant. But I can do other things here. I can put a link if I wanted to. I can put a video, right, and embed URL. So if I went to cat videos or exponents explained, and then I could put that right in there, hit enter. It'll put that YouTube video in there for me as well. And so say this is the end of my lesson. It'll automatically save for me. I can just hit save, click out of it, and then there's my notes. If I wanted to do another one, click here to type your note, topic of the day, square roots, heading 1. I can bold that as well. Underline maybe this time. Get rid of my bold and underline. Why didn't the 4 ask out the 5? Because he They were 2 squared. So now I can actually format this as well. Maybe I could put a formula in there if I wanted to. I'm not going to. They were 2 squared. Okay, so then there's my notes for that date, and I can just hit save. Okay, click out of that, and now I have my notes. So say I want to go back here, I can do underline there as well. Okay. That is an easy way for kids to organize their notes online. I'm going to be utilizing this tool. I think, and the best part about it is it's just an extension. You don't have to download a program or anything like that. They don't have the Microsoft Word. It works easy as Google Docs, and then you can go back to all notebooks, and then I say I want to go into Computer Science 20. It's all saved there, and it's free. So with that, and it'll play within the notes. Right, so if I wanted to, I can loop. I can change this to loop. I can copy the URL. I can put this into the middle if I wanted to. There's lots of things that we could do with our notes here. So if you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and put on the notification bell.